Family members and JSC have claimed the body of Ngangbom Surbala, who was killed in the fatal attack in Kotruk by Kuki militants on September 1. Following an agreement and assurance by Chief Minister, JSC and family members agreed to take the body of Surbala from Rims Morgue today. The body was taken to Faying village for last rite. Speaking on the sidelines, Ningthaujam Popilal, who is the convener of JSC, formed against the killing of Ngangbom Surbala, maintained that family members decided to take the body of the victim after receiving assurance from Chief Minister to heighten security arrangement in Faying, Kotruk and adjacent areas. He urged the state to fulfill its assurances and to work by understanding the emotions of people in the state. It may be mentioned that Surbala died in Kotruk village when Kuki militants launched a bomb and gun attack. Her daughter also suffered injury in the incident.
Vulnerable villages sing habatare sing my kendri manung channel lairiba khungang sing se thammiba state force ki strength se laidi laiba adu strength se amna name baduna maram oraga strength se kara hengat pinana bad machine ba khoi gi valid oiba demand se ado ngarang se honorable chief minister ga khoi makhata na wari sana matamda honorable chief minister masamakna SP Imphal West ka yauna masigi demand se athuba da khoi fulfill oihanna bagi damakta tauragani at the same time war footing da moi gi bunker kari kara bomb na kari na changdana na bagi Haidi micham praja ngakthokna na bagini ko plus adu oiba taragadi akhoi mamara paibi amadi JSC gi site ge akhoi namka demand tawbse adudi not only verbal commitment haidi chinhai na wahi na khakta commitment pi bidu da akhoi pamde maramdi commitment jidi ngak leraga adum tawrakta su dum yawe adu ragadi ai ba chero loina piro haina akhoi na ai ba agreement na ma pihan bani honorable chief minister da rai samak soi toraga Secretary to Chief Minister Sri Joffrey Masamak na khudiyek piraga khoida honorable chief minister na sinarakpani ngarang social media da sudum ubiram gani hana khalli mayamna adugi valid oiba concrete oiba point to da ngasi akhoi na hakchang lau dorise